Okay, so got a row done there, even the window frame's out. Yeah, really pleased, did that on my own, so pretty good. I'm gonna carry on, do another row there tomorrow, and probably go into the stairs a little bit maybe as well. So I've gone round, you know, barbed wired it, filled about 15 bags or so, and then raised them all up. Tomorrow I'll barbed wire again, keep going round. Window frame, little one where a sink will be to look out. Bigger one looking out across there. Come along nice, I'll show you from the back. The front rather, outside, whatever you want to call it. Getting there. I think that's 10 rows now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rows. Oh no, 10. Yeah, 10. Okay, so I'm gonna go along now and hammer in some of these tent poles in the corners of the window frames, because they're not really supported that well and you get a bit of a wobble next to the corners. That just help them. Obviously once the lintel's in, that'll stiffen it all up as well, but yeah, get them banged in and give it a, call it a day, and then back at it tomorrow. Okay, so it's a new day, nice day too, blue skies. So today's plan is to get a bit done on the staircase here. It's also good to uncover it, get it dried out a bit after that really wet weather. They're pretty soft still, the bags. They haven't had a chance to dry, so try and get a row each side, build these up a little bit, and then tomorrow start going around there. Okay, let's get to it. Someone in the comments pointed out there's a overhang here where a bag didn't quite meet, so it's quite hard to get them to meet because of this angle they have to take. Don't know if you can really see, but anyway, I've stuffed a load of wire and stuff all in there to bond it to the bags, and then filled that cavity all up with it's not actually cob, it's more like just subsoil, mostly clay, so that'll dry really hard. So yeah, that should sort that out, no problem. Okay, well that's me done for today anyway. Just did a row on each side of the staircase. The staircase is coming along nice. It's got a bit wet down here, a bit concerning. You can see the bag's gone all soft. Fortunately it's not supporting wall, it's only just a little retaining wall for that bit, and it's going to dry out. It's where the water is running off of here, getting down and soaking the bags. When I cover it up for winter, I'll have to address that issue. So I've uncovered it all just because I wanted to get it to dry out a little bit before winter. I don't like the fact that it's getting UV damaged, but you know, I'd like it to get dried out a bit. Very big, very plasticky at the moment. I know it looks very intrusive, a bit outrageous actually, but remember that there's less plastic in this whole building than the average family would use in a year. Throw away in a year, sorry, just into the bin, into landfill. This is going into a building. There's only what was it? It's less than I think it's 70 or 80 kilos of these bags. I think it is 2,000 of them. So it's 70 or 80 kilos of plastic. It's really actually not very much at all. It just looks bad. Most of the building is just made out of earth, that pile of earth there actually. So yeah, it's coming along well. I'm really pleased with it. Once the roof goes on, it'll all be invisible, it won't look like this. Let's take you over the top and show you just a little glimpse of what it looks like around from the top. It's quite cool. If I had a drone I could show you a nice drone shot of it, but okay, check that out. Looks pretty cool, right? So coming along nicely. I shall be trying to get another row done hopefully this week, and then it's probably going to be covering up time. Yeah, it's going to be one awesome building, and I reckon that's not bad for 2 months work. It's over 1,000 hours though so far, over 1,000 man hours to get to that point. but yeah, it's quite a big building. Okay, so we're going to carry on doing rows tomorrow and just keep going up. Okay, new day, just filling some bags. Just going to do 10 this morning, then working on the harp, because I'm quite keen on doing that at the moment. I'm kind of a bit bored of doing the bags, but I'm doing 10 to 15 a day when I'm on my own, 20 if it's me and Dot, and it's getting up there. You can see I'm going to be over there on that new row today. Thought I'd just quickly show you how I tie the bags. I haven't really showed that yet. I'll quickly show you now. I thought I'd just quickly show you how I tie these bags. So first of all, I make a tie out of like polypropylene string with a load of knots and just a loop in the end, and then I have a needle that I made out of a nail. It's just a nail with some holes drilled in the end. Just thread that through there. Then I take one corner, fold it down, go through, and then put the needle through that loop, and then come along to the middle, try and squeeze it. I get these bags absolutely packed, ram full, as much as I can, so sometimes it's a bit difficult, but when we come through the middle, like that, going through the fold, pull that corner in, come into this corner, come through there, pull that corner in, and then stitch it through the middle a couple more times. 1, 2, and then find a little bit of string that's sort of a bit loose than the others or whatever, and then get that under there and just do a couple of little granny knots in it, little overhand knots, whatever you want to call them, and that's it, that's tied. So I've been doing them, it's been working pretty well for me, so carry on like that. Okay, so they're all tied, so we'll start putting them up. I just thought I'd show you, I've put in light switches, so one there'll be lights on the stairs. I've put in a fixing point here, there's going to be a wood stove just there, so that's the first fixing point. Wood stove, there'll be another one up higher obviously. Put some in for the window frames. The window frames aren't going to be square, they're just square openings. I'm going to put the windows in and then build piece curved bits around them, plaster it all in, so curved windows. I've put in light switch over here as well. I've got a light switch there, coming through the little door. The door opens outwards here, opens to there, come in, light switch, main lights on the ceiling, go on, up there, and then we come in, we got light, then we got individual lights around workbenches here, so be like, I put that light on, shines over this workbench, another one over there, and then I've put in all these fixing points along here, all these, so I can put in like tool boards and stuff above the workbenches, or anything else I need to hang above the workbenches, shelving, whatever, so put them all the way around as well. Okay, so I got them fitted, just need to do a half bag in there. Has still got a little bit of a wobble to it in the middle, but then the bags aren't dry, they're still wet in there, so that's probably a big factor to that. Also, we're going to have that big post there as a dead man. It's not wobbly here or here, it's just here where it's only got a very slight curve to it. It's got a slight wobble to it. Like I say, it's not dry, and it's going to have that big post up through it, holding it back, and also backfilled, which will also put pressure on it. I think it's strong, it's just got a wobble, I think, where the bags are still able to move, where they're not compacted completely and settled and dry, so yeah, I'm not concerned about it. So get that half bag done, and that's a nice little morning's work. Do another morning tomorrow. Okay, so done for the day. Long day. We done all that around there, and we just done another row across there as well. So it's really getting up there now. Good week really. I mean, at the start of the week I had 2 or 3 rows less and the door frame wasn't in. Put in a lot of hours this week and it's been really good. Look at that, awesome. Really pleased how it's coming along. Nice weather too, it's all getting a chance to dry out. So yeah, excellent. Only another 4-5 rows, something like that. It's really coming along. I'm sure everyone now can visualize it a bit better. If you go back and compare it to the model, you'll see it looks very similar. I don't think anyone really could actually picture it to scale, but this is the scale. So yeah, very pleased. Got a few half bags to do in here, but done for the day. It's late. Well, not late, but late for us for a Saturday. Anyway, so carry on next week, get some more rows done. So hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching.